Hi everybody, this is the last lessons of the tutorial. In this episode, I'm going to just do the final retouching for the characters, trying to enhance the mood, as well as the main part should be the face and the hair. As you can see, the video is speeding up at 300%. Using lasso tool to get better edge control, making the shapes nicer. So for the hair, we want to have some rhythm to it. Right now we have a bunch that is considered a big shapes, and I added 2 extra strands of hair at the end of the silhouette. This will give some variation to the hair, which will make it look more interesting. Adding some strands coming out of the big shape would also make the entire silhouette more interesting, other than having the hair look like a gelled up hairstyle. At this part, I feel that the head is a little bit off, so I try to reconstruct the shape of the head again. I try to draw some contour line to aid with my construction, and you will see how I fix the head in a few seconds time. I like to use Liquify to fix the faces, and I personally think that Liquify is really a strong tool for any artist to use at the back of their toolkit. In this angle, we should be able to see the other side of the nostril, so I added that in as well. After comparing, I feel that the head looks really small compared to how much space the hair takes up, so I scale the face up a little bit more, and also go back to constructing the face again. I decided to use a color dodge at this part of the hand. I also added some reflected light underneath the hand sleeves so that the hand will look more protruded. Uh, Also, I added some highlights on the waist area so that it shows a little bit of leading line back towards the character. I decided to add some dodge on the hand so that it will push out the hand a little bit more. So we are at the end of the tutorial. I hope everyone learned something at the end of the day. And at the end, we will have a transition of the character that was made into animation. So thank you for watching and enjoy.